if you ask question, you become fool only for 5 minutes. But if you don't ask question, you become fool forever. Fool forever. Please be inquisitive. Now we'll deal exercise 2.4 from triangles chapter. These are the questions based on areas of similar triangles. So you must recall that theorem. Areas of similar triangle theorem you must have to recall. What does it state? It states that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This theorem we are going to apply to solve this problem. So this is the basic need you should have to solve this problem. So let me read out the problem. First problem of exercise 2.4. Let ABC similar to triangle DEF. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equals to 15.4 cm, find BC. Let me once again read out. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. These two are similar triangles. So this condition is very, very important. It is said that two triangles, these two are similar triangles. Similar triangles, since it is said, so their angles are equal, their corresponding sides divide in the equal ratio. This is the condition we can derive from this because of this condition already given. These two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides divide in the equal ratio. That one thing. And their areas means area of ABC and area of DEF, and their areas be respectively 64 cm square. Respectively 64 cm square means here the area of ABC is 64 cm square and the area of DEF is 121 cm square. Understand the thing here. Unit centimeter square. When it is mentioned area, it is said centimeter square. Square. Observe the square. Centimeter square. Okay. So area is two dimension. What is the two dimension? You know that. So length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length and breadth are the two dimensions. Therefore, it is centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Whenever we define area, we make sure that square, because it is two dimension. If it is in meter, meter square. If it is centimeter, centimeter square. If it is in millimeter, millimeter square. When we define area, we use square because two dimension it is. So if we define volume, we define cube in terms of cube. Its unit is cube. Why? Because three dimension, length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Three dimensions are there. Length 1 centimeter or meter, breadth centimeter or meter, height. So three dimensions are measuring. When you three dimensions are measuring, you have got cube, centimeter cube or meter cube. When you are defining volume, when you are defining area, since it is two dimension, it becomes centimeter square. So whenever centimeter square, 64 centimeter square, so it must be area. Area of what? Area of triangle. And 121 centimeter square, because area is said. If centimeter is said, then it is said only one dimension. Maybe length or breadth or height is said. So therefore it is one dimension. The one dimension is defined in terms of centimeter. Okay. Two dimensions defined in terms of square, whether centimeter square or meter square. Three dimensions like volume is defined in terms of cube. Its unit is cube because three dimension. Meter into meter, meter cube. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube, like that. Did you understand now? Now, area of triangle ABC and DEF respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF, one of the corresponding sides, EF is given. If EF is 15.4 centimeter, EF is said 15.4 centimeter. Why it is not said 15.4 centimeter square? Because EF is nothing but the length of one side. Length of one side, only one dimension, therefore centimeter. Understand? So 15.4 centimeter. Okay. So find BC. Find BC. We have to find BC here. It's given EF. We have to find BC. What are the things given? Given things given. Given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Since it is similar, so you know that their corresponding sides divide in the same ratio, so that we can take as AB divided by DE is equals to AC divided by DF is equals to BC divided by EF. You can use whatever you want according to your convenience and according to the requirement. AB by DE you can take, or AC by DF, or BC by EF, whichever it is according to convenience. Understand? Now what else is given? Area of ABC. What is area of ABC? It is 64 centimeters square. Then what else is given? Area of DEF. Area of DF is 121 centimeters square. Then length of one of the corresponding sides is given, that is EF is equals to 15.4 centimeter. Then find BC. What is BC? We have to find. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of BC. So for that, what you should know? So area of similar triangles. What are these states? Everything you know that. It said that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, area of ABC divided by area of DEF. This is what the statement. The ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle DF. Two similar triangles. These two are the similar triangles. Is what? Is equals to square. These are the corresponding sides. These are the ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides which are dividing in the equal ratio. Understand? Is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Here see corresponding sides written. So anyone you can take all the three you can take according to your convenience. Understand? So I am writing statement AB by DE whole square. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, these are the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Whether this or AC by DF whole square or BC by EF whole square. Any one of the corresponding sides ratio square you can take. Okay, according to what is required. Here what is required? Area is given, DEF is given, and AB value, DE value don't know, AC value, DF value don't know, but BC value we have to find and given EF value. So we are taking area of ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equals to BC by EF whole square. Observe properly here. In this formula, four parameters are there. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DF, side BC and side EF. Area of triangle you know, that is 64 centimeters square. Area of triangle DF, you know that is 121 centimeters square. So BC we have to find, that is what asked to find, and EF is also given. So in the formula, four parameters are there. 1, 2, 3. Three parameters are known and one is not known. Understand? So only one unknown parameter can be found if you know rest of the parameters if it is known. Okay. So in a formula, one unknown parameter knowing all the parameters easily could be found. Here 4 parameters are there, 3 parameters value we know, 4th one that is unknown easily we can find. Understand? Only one unknown could be found if 3 are known. If 2 are known, then it is not possible. All the 3 we should know. Here all the 3 is there. What is that? Area of ABC, area of DF, EF value is there. So we can substitute and find the value of BC. How? See that. What is area of ABC? Area of triangle ABC? 64 centimeters square. What is the value of area of DF? That's 121 centimeters square is equals to BC. Don't know we have to find. What is EF value? EF value is here 15.4. 15.4 centimeter whole square. Don't forget. So 64 and 121, what they are, if you observe properly, so you will come to know that 64 and 121 are the square numbers. Square numbers. This can be expressed in terms of square. How? 64 is nothing but 8 square. 8 into 8, 64. 121 is 11 square. 11 into 11. 121. Is equals to BC by 15.4 whole square, keep as it is. Square, square, make it whole square. 8 by 11 whole square is equals to BC by 15.4 whole square. LHS whole square is there. RHS whole square is there. So LHS square, RHS square, H cancelled. What is remaining? 8 by 11 is equals to BC by 15.4 or BC by 15.4 is equals to 8 by 11. Now, so unknown parameter, unknown thing, that is BC. BC you have to find. So keep only BC in the left side. Rest all transfer, all the known constant or whatever is known transfer to RHS. Only what is not known keep one side. So we don't want denominator 15.4. So we transfer other side. How? By multiplying and dividing 15.4 in the RHS. That is BC by 15.4 is equals to 8 by 11 into 15.4 divided by 15.4. So these two get cancelled out. BC is equals to 8 by 11 into 15.4. Now you can see that 15.4 can be easily divided by 11. How? BC is equals to 8 into 11 1 times 11 1 and 4 remains 44. So 11 4 times, that means 1.4. If you divide 15.4 by 11, you will get 1.4. Now multiply. BC is equals to 8 into 11.4. 8 4 times 32. 3 remains 8. 1 times 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11.2 centimeter. Don't forget to put centimeter here because BC is the length. You cannot write centimeter square. You have to write only centimeter. Why you have to write centimeter? Because BC is only one dimensional, that is length. BC is the length. Length could be mentioned centimeter or meter or kilometer or whatever it is, but not square. If square you are mentioning, then you are saying about area. We are not finding any area here. We are finding distance or length. Length of BC. What is the length of BC? 11.2. What? 11.2 centimeter. Not centimeter square or not centimeter cube. It is 11.2 centimeter. Did you understand, children? It's a very easy problem. This problem question, you can ask me, sir, is it not possible by using the area formula like half into base into height? So we will see. I don't think it is possible. So other way, except for applying areas of similar triangle, it is not possible to solve this. For example, if you try to solve, whether it comes or not, we'll see that. For example, what is the area of triangle ABC? Area of the triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. Half into, what is base here? In this case, base is BC. And let the height be written here AG be height. Okay, so mark this also. This is not possible. What I'm saying is not possible. Area of DEF. In this way, it is not possible to solve. Okay, so that's why we have used this. But we are trying whether it is possible or not already. Half into what is the base here? EF. Height, let it be DH. Not this side. Make this as 1 by 2. So that you will get area, ratio of the areas. When you divide, half of gets cancelled. BC, EF, AG, DH, write down and substitute the value. What is the value? Area of this one is 64 divided by 121 is equals to BC value don't know, AG value don't know, EF value is 15.4 and DH write down. If you want to find in the alternative method not using this theorem, area of similar triangle theorem, if you don't use, you cannot solve this problem. So if you just apply, so area of the triangle formula, half into base into height. Why? Because height of both the triangles we do not know. Height of both the triangles we do not know. So when height of both the triangles we do not know these two things, then it is impossible to find BC at all. We must know AG, or AG is nothing but height of ABC, and DH is nothing but the height of DEF. So which we do not know. Without knowing that, you cannot apply this formula. You cannot solve this problem in this way. Therefore, this method is rejected. In any problem, in any question, if you want to find the solution, so apply the formula and only one parameter should be unknown. Rest of the parameters should be known. Here 1, 2, 3 parameters are unknown. In such cases, it is not possible to solve the problem. So here, very easy way to solve this is based on areas of similar triangles. So note down this, not this. Did you understand, children? Okay. So we'll meet you in the next problem, in the next video with more of such problems. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.